Annyeonghaseyo, Ate Queenie.
Annyeonghaseyo, Chair.
So how was your school, Ate?
Okay naman.
You did well?
Yes.
So always participate with the discussion of your teacher, okay? But do not forget also to play well as well. Okay? So do not pressure yourself too much. Enjoy learning and have fun. Okay? So tonight, SJ Nim sent you a box of or one pack of puto cheese.
SJ Nim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, so you taste Ate. You have eaten puto cheese? Nakaon ka puto cheese sa una?
Yes.
But dili ang kamam no nga puto cheese. Since Ate Queenie is my new student. So you get one, taste one, and let me hear your feedback. Be honest with your feedback, okay?
I-review na to.
Ibutan lang sa nila.
Mochi. Matcha, teacher?
I don't know, Ate, but I think pandan? Buko pandan? Humot, no? So how about the taste?
Wait, what's that?
Lami? So you want more?
Yeah.
So daghan pa kayo ni. I think this is 50 pieces. So you will have to eat this one together with your family as well. Okay, you can share it with your family. So do not forget that is from
SJ Nim.
Okay, sige. Thank you, SJ Nim.
Thank you, SJ Nim. Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.
So you can also take video or picture while eating. Okay, just like Ate. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So Ate Queenie decided to share this with her classmates. So it is your willingness to give them?
Yes.
Or gipugos kanila?
Gipog, char. Kaya, tagan ako sila kay mga cute mo.
Okay, sige. Get daw mo each one.
Ay, tapila, tagtulo-tulo.
Pwede ra, lima-lima.
Lima ka.
Okay, sunod na po.
Open store.
Gilingaw mo, no? Do you miss eating that one? So, what will you say to Ate Queenie?
Hi, annyeonghaseyo. Good afternoon. Ichanganim. Annyeonghaseyo to all the sponsors. Here I am in my work. Karon kay duha ra ang dish nga giluto kay it's weekend. But tomorrow it will 3 dish. And also here's some. This is soup. Egg soup. Yeah. Fruits. And also salad. Some sauce. And Japanese. I don't know. And right now only pasta. Because it's weekend. Tomorrow there will 2. This one is noodles and pasta. Yeah. And this one is rice. Also fried rice. And this is vegetable. It's also 1 vegetables right now. There's no. This is the spoon, cup, and juice. This is the dining. Here are the students eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
We're spelling today or this night. Okay, Romelyn, spell the word lie down.
Liedown.
Okay, next, Kim Jane. Spell the word braggart.
Braggart.
Okay, next, Princess. Spell the word Fragrant.
F-R-A-G-R-A-A-N-T.
Okay, next. Chandy, spell the word soft.
S-O-F-T.
Okay, great job. Spell the word smelly.
S-M-E-L-L-Y.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, class.
Ano nga sa'yo, Ninya?
Masaya, Teacher Jen.
How are you? Kumusta man ka? Absent ka gahapon? Sa karon nga month of August, you have 2 absences. So, duha na imong absent. Kay, nag-unsari ka? Nganong absent man ka ng mga panahon na? Ang lakaw mo. Pero kabaw ka nga klase. Unya. So, pero aware ka nga tulo imong absent, maunsa gani? Matangtang. So, aware ka ana. Aware ka ana, di? Aware ka. So, usa na lang. Pila na ikuwang nimo? Usa na lang. Anya? Usa yung buhaton nimo? Ganahan ka matangtang? Ay, di ka ganahan matangtang. So, may buhaton nimo? Ha? Sure ka? Moro lagi dili sure. Tawa na si kagisi. Sure ka? Ha? So, di na ka mo absent. Ha? Ay, napag-absent kay. Sayang. Sa may istorya ni mo? Naka-istorya? Ha? Naka-istorya? Pero okay ra ka diri sa study room. Wa ka kapuya. Sure ka? Sige ha, so dili na ka mo absent ha. Promise? We. Taro ka po na yung promise niya. Promise, di na ka mo absent. Kay kato, dili man to valid. Kay nga naman. Ang valid kay, unsa man nga valid gani. Valid ra siya kung nasakit. Lantan, mangyunana. Pero kanang maglaag-laag ra, dili gina siya valid, ha? So, imo nang timanan, ha? Fighting? Ha? Fighting. Naghiko-hiko. Fighting!
Fighting.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Ninya. Bye-bye, Ninya.